Hello friends, so this is the video of the unboxing of the HP keyboard. So let me just unbox and show you. Just use the key to just unbox it. See the packet so well. The key is like get them inside it. So let's just unbox this. You can see inside the box we have our keyboard. Here is our main stuff. I show you the keyboard. This is the keyboard we ordered and this is the USB hub. So let's just unbox this. This is sealed pack, as you can. I got it for 999 and the price quoted here is 1799 and I buy it for 999 and I got 100 rupees Amazon cashback. So it cost me just 899. Let's just unbox this one. This is the first look of the keyboard. As you see here, it is our HP gaming keyboard. This is the metallic one. Wire quality seems to be normal, not so high and not so bad. And here is the keyboard out of the box and it's all packing. Here is the mess of it. This is the lightning keyboard, as you can see the feel. This is the feel of the keys. As you can't see what is written on the keys, it does not have any multi-function keys, it just have the normal keys, as you can see. This is the metallic, this is the like plastic, and here you have the lift for the lifting. This is for the num lock, caps lock and escape. As you can see, it is built pretty well. So let's just unbox our another box. Here it is, the USB hub. So let us just keep it like this and unbox this also. USB hub. Sorry for this kind of bad unboxing. It comes, I received it in a black color. You can get it in the another color also. Let's just put this inside it. It fits pretty well. From the quality it provides, I can say it is not the like best quality, but the price of like 250 rupees you get it at a good deal. There is no pricing on this box, as you can see. There is no pricing of this particular product. It just shows the name of this product. So I will just test these products and tell you how does it work properly or not. And thank you for watching my video. I will make the complete user review of my laptop, Lenovo gaming laptop, and this keyboard and this USB hub. Thanks for watching. I will tell you the colors and everything. In the 2 days you will receive the video of this keyboard and this USB hub. Thanks for watching my video.